morning, guys. April 23rd, 2018. This one here we're going to call, lady's got a sub pump that's not shutting off. It keeps running. I've been here before. She had a flood. She had a flood a while back, and I was here. So it might be familiar, but there might be something stuck under the flow. I don't know, but I'm going over there. She said the thing's been running all weekend. It won't shut off. I'm on my way there now. She said there's no water in the cellar. But we'll see what's going on there. Try to get you some shots. It's just not shutting off. Switches are not shutting off, so I won't have to change it. This one seems to be alright. I'll have to plug that one in and check it. But
when I unplugged the bottom one, because it was doing this, the water came over this.
Alright, let me check that one while I'm here. I only got one pump with, I might have two. Let's see. Let me check the top one. No, that top one works. We gotta change that bottom one. It's not shutting off.
And you think the top one works?
Yeah, cause listen.
Because the water went up.
Hear it?
Yeah. It had worked, but then it went over it.
See it?
So, yeah.
Well, when the water comes up, that thing should pump. Unless this is full of stuff.
Yeah. Hi.
Hello.
Glad to see you truck in the drive.
Yeah. So let me get that pump changed out.
Yeah, the bottom.
Let's see if we get that pump out of there. Hopefully I can get it out. The only thing I got plugged into that thing is my light, so these cords are all disconnected. See if I can get that thing out of there. Put a new pump in there for her. Top pump's still good, it's just the bottom one that needs to be replaced. See if I can get it out. Hopefully I can get it out. Might have to cut this. We'll see. Switches for these, but I found that just changing the whole pump's a lot easier. I haven't had a lot of luck with changing the switches. A lot of times the gaskets will leak when you put a new gasket in. I just like changing the whole pump. That's what I like doing. That's me. Oh, man. Goes on there, man. out, you need a bigger wrench. Crazy with this thing, I mean, it'll get all crusty anyway after a while. I tape up all the cords in a couple of spots, keep them all nice and neat. Tape them up with some black tape as they go up. Just try to keep everything neat for the lady, you know. Alright, this should be the new one here. We'll see if it reaches. I got my light plugged into the other one so I could see. Make sure that it goes and it shuts off. Yeah, that's good. Now why I got this other one in it? If that one fails, this one will pick up the load. That's why I got them stacked. In case one fails, the other one will pick up. But you know, if they lose power, ain't nothing happening. If they lose power, they're out of luck. Alright, so they both should work now. You know the bottom one's working. The top one works too. So that's it. I got it all. Got a tape there, I got a tape there, I got it taped here. I might put another thing just to kind of clean it up, make it look decent, you know.
I put the date right on the tag there, so like I said, you could just change the switch in the pump, but I just assume put a whole new pump in there. I know it's a done deal, it's a good pump, it's brand new, and you know, after 3-4 years, you're better off changing these pumps out anyway. You don't want to have them fail on you when it's when it's in demand.